Hello guys, hope you all doing great today. So we are going to talk about CloudFormation. In this short and brief video, we are going to have a demonstration on a deployment or provisioning of an EC2 instance using CloudFormation. So what is CloudFormation? CloudFormation is a service that helps us deploy AWS cloud infrastructure through API calls. It would allow us to set up, configure, operate our entire stacks through single infrastructure template. So in order to deploy our infrastructure script using CloudFormation, we need to navigate all around through the console and search for CloudFormation. So what you can do is you can go through the search bar and you'll have CloudFormation. We type it there, and here I have a CloudFormation, and I click on create stack. Once the stack is created, here we have the prerequisite. Either we can use a template, you allow it on template ready. Now we can either use the template from an S3 bucket, or we can upload a template file. So actually, this is my template script where I have the different parameter, precising the instance type, precising the key pair that is being used. So you need to make sure you have created your key pair and you mention the key pair in the file. I'm going to allow you this script in the description box so you can download that. Either you paste it within your S3 bucket or you upload it directly. And you can see that in order to obtain a script for your infrastructure to deploy, you need to do some research about that. So I just go into a new Windows, I type in CloudFormation, and I have some examples of template I can inspire myself from in order to personalize and deploy my script. Okay. You just need to do some research about that. You search CloudFormation, but here I just type in CloudFormation, while our aim in this video is to deploy a CloudFormation template in order to provision an EC2 instance. So make sure you have the precision well done when doing your research. I will type in the first link that appears, and I will have some example either in JSON or in YAML. You can copy that and personalize it and adapt it to the different parameters you want to use. So in order to get away from those personalization, you can use the script I will provide to you in description, and this is it. So now we have to make sure that the different parameters in our script are equally present in our infrastructure. Before creating the stack, let's first make sure that we have a key pair. And as I said previously, I've already created an S3 bucket. So this is the bucket. If I just take in the link, okay, I just taken the link of that bucket and mention that in the CloudFormation stack, it will pull up this file from S3. Very simple. But we have two possibilities. Either we pull the code from S3 or we upload it directly. In an environment whereby we are working in a team, it would be preferable to use S3. But now I'm just doing a simple example by pulling up the code. Let me go where I uploaded the file. Okay. Then you select you can see that I'm able to go into the next stage, and I have the different parameters that I mentioned within my template script, and they are all present, including the key pair and the type of EC2 instance. So let me go back and do it with S3. So bucket already created. All I do, I just select it, I copy the URL, and I mention it I give a name to my stack. I verify my parameters, everything okay. Then I click on next. Here we are using an instant type of T2 micro. The key pair correct. We have the SSH protocol, everything correct. Next. Okay, we need to make sure that we respect the naming convention. So no space should be allowed within the name of the stack. So let me replace that. Okay, everything being done. Let me give a tag in order to have a name attached to the EC2 instance I am creating. Okay, you can go on next. So you verify everything, and once that's done, we can submit. So on submission, we have the event log that is already giving us a brief recap of what is happening. We have creation in process. We have my first tag in process. So let's just record that. And we have everything creating correctly. So in order to verify if everything is going correctly, let me go into the EC2 console, and here is it, the name tag, and the instance is pending. So everything is going for good. So we need to wait like sometimes for the pending to pass into running, the time for the system to pop up. So here is the script that just provision EC2 instance with the AMI, everything being well defined. So you need to make sure that the AMI you select and is appropriate to the correct region. Okay, you can see that we have our instance in running state. We can see it is with the key pair, all the different parameters we have, everything good. So this was a brief example just to provision an EC2 instance. Thanks for watching. See you soon, guys. Ciao.